Now we get to question 8. This is one where we have to work out a little bit more calculations. It says a 2,000 kilogram car experiences a braking force of 10,000 newtons. So that's the friction force of the brake pedals on the tires of the car, and then that's going to cause it to stop. And then it says it skids to a stop in 6 seconds. The speed of the car just before the brakes were applied was what? What was the initial speed of the car? So what we have to do here is find the acceleration using Newton's laws. We have F equals ma. The mass is given, right? Remember, kilograms is a unit of mass, so that's already the mass right there. The force is what? 10,000 newtons. So that's right here. And this is the acceleration. So what's the acceleration of the car? Well, 1,000 cancels the 1,000. The acceleration of the car is equal to what? 5. The acceleration of the car is 5 meters per second squared. But it's actually decelerating, right? So it's slowing down. So the car is going with an initial velocity, and then the person applies the brakes. The acceleration is this way, right? The acceleration is opposite to the direction of motion. So we call that a deceleration. The car is slowing down. And then eventually the final velocity of the car is going to be what? 0. The car is going to stop. So this value here, we should actually put a negative here to indicate that, that the car is actually slowing down. So now, what equation should I use? What do I want to find out? I want to know V initial. What else do I know about the problem? I know that the car stops in 6 seconds. So I know the time is 6 seconds. So what equation from kinematics can I use if I know the acceleration, I know V final, I want to try to find V initial, and I know the acceleration? Well, it's the first equation of kinematics, right? Because we don't know the distance and we don't even care about the distance. So we say V final is equal to V initial plus AT. V final is equal to 0. V initial is what? Well, that's what we're solving for. The acceleration is -5. And the time is equal to what? 6 seconds. Okay? So what is the V initial? Well, V initial is the product of the two. That's 30, goes over there, becomes 30, right? So V initial is 30 meters per second. 30 meters per second. Which choice is it? It's choice C. 30 meters per second. So it's a pretty good problem here. Thank you.